Hey everyone, if you're looking to level up your workflow with Figma and polish your branding visuals, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up your API key on the Figma Brandbird plugin. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have full access to all the powerful features Brandbird offers, so get ready to make your branding work sleeker and more efficient. Let's dive right in. First up, you'll want to jump into Figma as usual. Look towards the bottom center of the Figma workspace. There's an action button right there, kind of like the mission control for your plugins and widgets. Click that and a handy little search bar will pop up. Now start typing Brandbird into the search. As you type, you'll see Brandbird appear in the list below. Go ahead and click on it. This opens up the Brandbird plugin sidebar right inside Figma. At this point, you'll see an option that says Set API Key. Click that, and if you're not already signed into Brandbird, you'll be prompted to log in. Don't worry if you have to pause here for a second. Just enter your details and you'll be good to go. This login step is just making sure that Brandbird knows it's really you and not someone else trying to connect your account. Once you're logged in, it's time to set your API key for real. Go ahead and click that Set My API Key button again. If you're unsure about where to find your API key, no problem, the plugin has you covered. You'll see a little link or button labeled Where to Find My API Key. Click that, and you'll be automatically directed to the page or the dashboard where your Brandbird API key lives. Think of your API key like a secret handshake between Figma and Brandbird. It's what allows the two platforms to talk and share data securely. It's important to keep your API key private, just like you'd protect a password. Now on this page, you'll see a string of letters and numbers. That's your API key. Go ahead and copy it. Sometimes it helps to double-check that you've grabbed the whole thing, especially if you're on a mobile device or using a touchpad. Back in Figma, paste this API key into the designated field in the Brandbird plugin window. If you've ever pasted a password into a login form before, it's just like that, nice and easy. Now don't forget to hit save. This step is crucial. Saving tells the plugin to store your API key safely, so you're officially connected and ready to start using all the plugin's features. If you skip this last save step, the connection won't stick and you'll have to repeat the process. And that's it. You've now set up your API key with the Brandbird plugin inside Figma. From here, you can unlock new creative possibilities and streamline your branding projects without any roadblocks. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Feel free to drop any questions or share your experience down in the comments. I'm here to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward Figma and design plugin tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.